What's up, creators and camera nerds? Welcome back to the channel, your source for the latest in camera tech and pro gear insights. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated camera announcements of the year, the Sony A7V. From revolutionary sensor tech to cinema-grade video features, the A7V looks ready to redefine the full-frame mirrorless game once again. Stick around as we explore exclusive leaks, rumors, top features, pricing expectations, and when this powerhouse might finally hit the shelves. The evolution of Sony A7, the A7 series, has always been Sony's crown jewel, offering pro-level features at enthusiast-level prices. In 2013, the original A7 introduced full-frame mirrorless to the world. Then came the A7 II with IBIS, the A7 III with all-around excellence, and the A7R V with powerful video tools. Now, 2025 is the year of the A7V, and it's shaping up to be Sony's most balanced hybrid, yet borrowing high-end specs from the A7R V, FX3, and even the flagship A1. Latest leaks and insider intel leaks suggest the A7V will feature a brand new SV6MP stacked back illuminated full-frame sensor, dual card slots, CFexpress Type A plus UHS-2 SD AI-based autofocus with real-time subject recognition for K120fps recording full frame. No crop enhanced thermal design for long video shoots, a USB 4.0 port with UVC UAC streaming support, AI-powered, IBIS with 8 stops of stabilization, possibly a modular EVF system, a first for the series. Sources like Sony Alpha, rumors, camera retailers, and insider devs suggest these upgrades are no longer just hopeful speculation. They're on the roadmap. Top 10 major upgrades in Sony A7V. 136MP stacked BSI sensor, next-gen detail and dynamic range, faster readout for burst and video, reduced rolling. Shutter artifacts 2. 4K 120fps. Recording no crop, perfect for cinematic B-roll and slow-mo work. 10-bit. 42222. Internal capture 3. Dual card slots, CFexpress A+, SD UHS-2. High-speed workflows, instant backups. 4 advanced real-time AI autofocus, track size, animals, vehicles, birds, predictive tracking with deep learning. 5. Thermal cooling hybrid design, based on FX3 airflow system, record longer without overheating. 6. High resolution, OLED EVF, expected 9.44 meters. Panel, crisp and smooth for pro-level shooting. 7. Side articulating 3.2 touchscreen, bigger, brighter, and more responsive. Great for vlogging or low high-angle shots. 8. AI-powered IBIS with 8 stops, great for handheld videography, can be paired with lens stabilization. 9. USB 4.0 and plug-and-play streaming, native UVC UAC support. Works as a webcam or capture device. 10. Refined UI with S-Minitone color cleaner menus. Cinematic color out of the box. Pricing strategy. Here's what we know so far. The A7 IV launched at $2,499 United States dollars, with the A7V stepping up in every department. Stacked sensor, 4K 120. Improved cooling. Analysts are projecting a price between $2,699 and $2,999. Sony wants this camera to stay below flagship prices, while still delivering nearly flagship level performance. Release timeline. Multiple sources suggest a queue for 2025 launch, most likely in October or November. Sony tends to tease their cameras at photography expos or standalone online events. Expect official reveal in fall 2025. Pre-orders immediately after. Shipping by holiday season, November-December. Perfect timing for creators looking to upgrade for end-of-year shoots. Who is the Sony A7V for? This camera is going to appeal to videographers thanks to 4K 120, no crop, and better thermal design. Photographers with the new 36MP sensor and advanced autofocus. Streamers and creators because of plug-and-play webcam support. Filmmakers with SSID and pro-level recording formats. So what do you think? Is the Sony A7V living up to the hype? Are you holding out for the official launch? Or do you think the A7R V or FX3 is the better choice today? If this video gave you value, hit that like button, subscribe for more gear breakdowns, and tap the bell so you never miss a leak, rumor, or hands-on review. Thanks for watching, keep shooting, stay creative, and we'll catch you in the next one.